Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Microsoft Teams is a powerful communication tool used by organizations worldwide to facilitate collaboration among teams. Making phone calls directly from Teams can be incredibly convenient, especially when you want to connect with colleagues quickly without leaving your workspace. So let's dive right in and see how you can make a phone call using Teams. First, you'll need to sign into Microsoft Teams. Launch the application on your device or access it via your browser, whichever way you prefer. Once the web page is open, you'll see the Sign In option. Enter your login credentials, which consist of your email address and password to access your Teams account, or open up Teams app. It's important to ensure you're using the correct account credentials, as Teams might be configured differently for each organization. Once you're successfully signed in on your Teams app, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, which displays all your chats, meetings, and other collaborative tools. Now, to initiate a phone call, look at the left-hand sidebar. This panel contains various icons representing different features of Teams. Among these, you'll find the phone icon, which is your gateway to making phone calls. Click on this phone icon, and you'll be directed to the calling interface within Teams. Here, you can manage your calls, view call history, and access your voicemail if it's being configured. The next step is to dial the number you intend to call. In the calling interface, you'll see a dial pad, much like the ones on a traditional telephone. Use this dial pad to enter the phone number you're calling. If you're calling a colleague within the same organization, you can often find their contact by typing their name into the search bar located above the dial pad. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to either use your mouse to click the numbers or your keyboard to enter them. Teams will now connect your call, and you'll hear standard ringing tones until the call is answered. During the call, you have several options at your disposal, such as muting your microphone, putting the call on hold, or even adding more people to the call to transform it into a conference call. Finally, when you're finished with your call, simply click the red End Call button to hang up. So that's it. You've just learned how to effectively make a phone call using Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process that gets easier the more you do it. Remember, Microsoft Teams is continuously updated, so always be on the lookout for new features that can make your communication even more seamless. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.